Hello and welcome back to day 2 of my bushes. We're just finishing off the rear. The rear is the last thing to do, and then we can move on to the front. So we've done subframe, rear outer link, integral bushes and all sorts. So we've done all of those. We're literally just doing the last lower control arm, and then we'll move on to the front, along with maybe some other bits that we need to fix. But day 2, we're going. Update.
I'm back.
Rich is back, and we're going to now take my brakes apart because
why not?
They're
right?
fucked. Bushes for the rear are done. We're going to take the brakes off. I don't even know if this will make the video, but I'm here now. I'm filming it, so.
Well, I'm in it, so it's got to make the video, right?
Perfect.
I'm not vain.
So it's pretty hard to see the difference underneath because we've obviously not done much like clean-up work on the rest of the subframe, but I will try my best to show you the bushes that we've done and that are in and stuff. So we've done subframe, anti-roll bar, and then we've done integral lower and upper, and then we've done control arm front and control arm rear. And that is literally the best I can show you because it's dark and it's hard to show you when they're in, but they're in, they're good, they're in there. In other news, we've potentially figured out what the clunking issue is, and it could be an new flywheel.
Well,
help me.
But then that's what your handbrake runs on in there, and that's rusty as hell. The lips on these are flipping fantastic.
Just going to give you a little brief interlude. That there is my brake line. That is absolutely gone. Dead to the world. All of this is just rusty, crusty shit. So we're replacing all of that. This has turned out to be a lot more work than I had intended, so I'm feeling pretty beat up, I won't lie. I'm definitely now not selling my X5 considering how much money I'm putting into it, so it better drive like a dream.
You should have a nice clean.
Oh my god, my handbrake might actually work.
Well, let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Good point.
But potentially.
It's going to stop on the dime, this thing.
So what we need to do is we just need to make sure this surface here is nice and clean. Oh my lord.
Hello. So in classic Patrick fashion, I lost a load of footage. Wasn't too much. Basically, I filmed most of what we did to the rest of the car, which you've just seen, but I never managed to I think I lost the footage. So the last day that I came in to #mechanic, they had literally completed the whole front end of the car. So all the front end, all the front bushes have all been done. So I'm going to overlay some shots of what they did to the front as well as the rear. But no, it's all done, it's all dusted. I will do like a full driving update for you in the car because I've been driving the car now for a week since the last footage I filmed, and it is night and day, like absolutely night and day difference. The car drives like a modern day car. It's crazy. It's so direct, the steering, and yeah, like handling and everything. There's no like body lean or anything like that. It's just removed any and all lumbering driving stuff. I don't really know what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm absolutely over the moon and so grateful for #mechanic for allowing me to use the ramp. So if you need any work in the Bedfordshire area, they are based in Potton. Hashtag Mechanic are your boys. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
It's good! This is a follow-on from me filming how to modify your daily. I've just come straight from Hashtag Mechanic, where I've spent a full day on bushes. Today, we're working on the E36! With the help of Bert, we are going to try and put some bushes on the subframe that go onto the engine, which means we can mount the engine in the engine bay, potentially today. No gearbox, but that's the second thing we need to look at, because the gearbox needs to be welded somewhere along the way, and Richard knows where and I don't, and that's what we're going to use Bert for, because Bert knows how to weld and he might see things a different way. That's all well and good. Well, that's the aim of today. Subframe onto engine, engine into bay. Sean's here with me.
What's up, what's good?
Sean used to have a YouTube channel. I might link it down below. Sean, what's your YouTube channel?
It doesn't exist anymore, I've taken it off, it's deleted.
No, it does. You're starting it up again. Sean!
No chance, not.
Hi. Bert's here, and Bert's going to help us. Say hello to everyone, Bert.
Hello, everyone.
Good. Ah! Looks to be like a massive blowout here for this material. It's really sharp.
Yeah, someone's properly butchered it.
But I don't know why. Is it to do with the adapter? I mean, I'm just kind of glad that the gearbox actually mounts up to the engine, because I wasn't sure if it was going to do that or if I'd been sold a dream. But it does go in. The splines do match up, so that's good. Right. Watch out!
You're fine. Still on a dowel, so you try and push that end in and pull it off square. That's it. Now you're just swinging on that dowel.
Okay.
So from here, I'm measuring end of the shaft.
Oh God. So, Bert and I have been doing a lot of talking, and the talking has resulted in I need to buy a few things before we can carry on. So, this video will carry on when I have got the few other things that I need. There's various bits and bobs, things that both gearbox and engine side need in order for us to carry on with mounting that to the engine, that gearbox to the engine. There's things like release bearing for the gearbox. There's two little bushes that I need to go in the flywheel side. I also want to get rid of the dual mass flywheel which has got on currently, so I need to get a single mass flywheel, and there are a few other bits as well, but all of that needs to be purchased and ordered before we can then move on to actually mounting all of that and putting that together. But as Bert said, it's not horrific. There's good progress I feel like we have made. Correct?
Agreed.
I feel like I'm pissing the wind because I know nothing and it's all... But that's all part of the process, learning how to do all of this. Good thing I'm not building it for a timeline, because I don't think it's going to be ready anytime soon. Okay, goodbye.